Hello there. Welcome back to the Reparenting Guide channel, or welcome if this is your first visit. We are continuing our reparenting through the chakra series. Today we arrive at the heart chakra, the place where healing becomes relational, where safety softens into connection, and where love is no longer something we chase, but something we learn to offer ourselves. The heart chakra, or anahata, lives in the center of your chest. Its color is green, the color of growth, balance, and renewal. For many of us, this is where the deepest reparenting happens. It's hard in childhood when we have to walk on eggshells around our caregivers because we don't know what mood they're going to be in or what to expect. My mother had very angry highs and extremely sad lows emotionally. I remember it was either raging or tears in my house as a child, and rarely any emotions between. My father tried to bring laughter and joy, but he wasn't around much when I was a child, so I was left with an unhealthy parent most of the time whose affections towards me were nearly non-existent. And my parents' romantic relationship was also non-existent. They were pretty estranged, even living together. They rarely showed love and affection towards one another, and my mother rarely showed love towards me. This made love relationships challenging for me as an adult, but through reparenting and therapy and still working on it, after all these years, I'm healing myself so I can love others. Today, I can truly say I love myself, and that wasn't always the case. So why the heart chakra matters in reparenting? Because if love felt conditional, inconsistent, or withheld or unsafe growing up, your heart learned to protect itself. You may have learned to overgive to earn love, or close off to avoid disappointment, or confuse attachment with survival, or believe love must be proven, not offered freely. Reparenting the heart chakra is not about forcing forgiveness or bypassing pain. It's about teaching your inner child something new. Love can be steady, care can be safe, and you can be worthy of both without earning them. Here are 5 reparenting practices for your heart chakra. 1, hand on heart, safety practice. Place one hand over your heart and one hand over your belly. I don't know if you can see it, but you can breathe slowly and say inwardly, I am here with you. You don't have to face this alone anymore. 2, compassionate reframing. Notice a moment when you judge yourself harshly. Then ask, what would a loving parent say to me right now? Speak that answer out loud. This is how self-trust begins to rebuild. 3, receiving practice. Let yourself receive something small today. A compliment without deflecting, help without apologizing, rest without justification. Receiving is a learned skill, and your heart deserves practice. 4, safe connection, visualization. Imagine sitting with your younger self in a calm, gentle place. You're not fixing anything. You're simply present. Let your inner child feel what it's like to be with you. Be with someone who stays with them. 5, loving boundaries. Ask yourself, where am I giving love at the expense of my own well-being? Reparenting teaches that boundaries are not walls. They are acts of love. The love of the heart chakra heals not through force, but through consistency. Every time you choose gentleness over self-attack, presence over abandonment, truth over people-pleasing, you are reparenting your heart. You are teaching your inner child. Love doesn't leave. If this reparenting work resonates with you, I invite you to subscribe to this channel for gentle practices around healing, inner safety, and self-trust. I also offer one-on-one mindful coaching, Reiki, and intuitive tarot sessions for those who want deeper personalized support. And if you'd like to continue this work off screen, my upcoming book and companion workbook, You're More Healed Than You Know, are designed to guide you through reparenting at your own pace. All of these links I will put in the description, and you're welcome to explore them whenever it feels right with you. Now stay tuned for the next video in the series, the throat chakra. Thank you so much for being here. You are capable, you are wonderful, and you are loved. Namaste.